get my good side.
Fresh back straps at deer camp.
Fishing Gone Wild, this is how we do it. 2018, Travis's first year out. He got us a 6-point, that's what we're eating tonight. Eating good at camp, that's for sure. A couple more guys are gonna be coming out. Hi.
Caleb sniffed it out. Meal fit for a king.
How cool is that? I didn't
Tenderloin, beef steak, fried taters, and a pumpkin pie from Shauna. Let's eat.
Well, guys, it's November 18th. I'm a little ways away from deer camp, but had to travel a little bit. Went with my dad and my little brother tonight. We don't get down together very often, and I gotta go back to work tomorrow, so I figured I'd come up here and hunt with them for the afternoon. This is usually where I bow hunt pretty hard. A lot of good bucks in here. Had some good encounters in bow season with a couple nice bucks in here, so seems to be a lot of deer sight in here on the way in and a long walk in. But a little bit windy and cold, but I think it's gonna be a good night. Hang on, here comes another buck. That's exciting. I wanted to wait for him to come a little bit further, but he come right downwind, and I knew he caught the wind right there when he stopped. I wanted to come out in the opening a little bit more, or get a little bit better footage of him, but I knew he wasn't going to stick around long. I could tell he smelled me, so he's off to the right side, and I'm right-handed, so I had to kind of spin around and do some funky stuff to try to make it work, but I'm pretty confident it's a good shot. So hopefully the shot's as good as I think it was. I'll give it a little bit here and go check it out and see what we got for blood. This little buck right here is catching my wind right now. Well, guys, got a couple minutes of camera battery. Can't tell you how excited I am to be able to get this buck. I mean, I was running out of hope. First 4 days of deer season, pretty rough. Seen one buck in the first 4 days, I think, and then decided to come a little bit closer to home this afternoon. I got to go back to work tomorrow, and wanted to come out and hunt with my dad and my brother. Don't get to hunt with them much. They do their own camp. Came out here within an hour of being in the stand. Hour and a half maybe at the most. Had this buck come in, shot him, seen a smaller buck, seen some does. So it all paid off. You know, it's just a matter of putting your hours in and staying persistent, you know. I'm excited. Get to go back to work tomorrow. I was a little worried I wasn't going to be able to fill a tag before I went back to work, but I stuck with it and made it happen. Not a giant buck, but he's a nice Michigan 8-point. Can't complain. Nice heavy horn. See, he's been doing some fresh rubbing. He's got a cool little hole in his horn over here. Stick dang near my whole pinky in there. That's pretty neat. But yeah, I'm happy. I got a long haul out of here and a big hill to take them up. So I'm gonna get them dressed out and start hauling them out of here. Stay wild.
Alright, I'm headed out right now. I'm going to get my tree stand. It's November 19th. I haven't been in the tree since opening day. I just haven't been able to. I've been out in the woods to look at a few things, but I haven't been able to hunt due to work and everything. So we're dealing with some really, really cold temperatures. There's not a lot of deer being seen. Jake shot an 8-point last night, but other than that, not a lot of people are seeing deer.
I swear to God, anything that can go wrong is going wrong today. I got my lavalier mic, and the piece broke off it. I get up in my dang tree stand, and my seat fell off. So now I rigged up where I took a ratchet strap and strapped it around so that way I could sit on that. So I'm sitting a little extra lower. It's way uncomfortable, and I got a knot in my back. This isn't good. I am not feeling good about this at all, whatsoever. So now I gotta find a way to rig this up so it's in front of my face because I don't have my other microphone. It is a beautiful view, though. I will give it that. Very beautiful view. So don't mind me. I'm gonna try getting this rigged up so that way so that way you guys can hear me when I'm talking. Alright, I got this somewhat figured out now, so it's really, really cold out here. I'm gonna reiterate this is the last time. If I see a doe, I'm shooting it. Tell you what, if some coyotes come over here, I'm gonna shoot them. Do you dare, Alvin? I really want to. One looks like it's already coming this way. I won't pass up the opportunity to smoke a coyote. Definitely not. Got enough of those running around. Good thing about people walking around like that, you know, while you're in the tree stand at prime time, they could kick deer to you. The joys of hunting public land. Keeps it interesting, that's for sure. Maybe they'll scare a deer to me. is, but it is cold. Still waiting to hear back from Caleb. He said he shot at a buck. Alright, let's get out of the woods.
Well, here's the doe that I shot tonight. It's actually why I came into this stand. I had quite a bit of does in here, so I wanted to get one out. This doe, actually a big doe. I didn't realize she was this big. I was actually going to shoot the one behind it just because it looked a little bit smaller and it was on, my side of the creek. Wouldn't have had to have crossed the creek. But this one stepped out and said, well, if I'm going to do it, let's do it now. But this is the first doe that I've taken in 10 years. Exactly 10 years with a rifle. I've shot one with a muzzleloader. I usually like to fill my doe tags with a bow. But this year I was pretty hard pressed to get any time in a tree stand in bow season here in Michigan anyways. So I figured, well, we'll break in the new rifle that Roslyn got me and fill some doe tags. So she's going to be great for the freezer. Beautiful animal. Made a good shot. She dropped right there. That's the way we all hope that it goes. Drop them right there and get it over with as quick as possible. So thanks a lot, guys. Deer camp's not all about just shooting bucks. Got some doe tags. You can fill those too. So thanks a lot for watching, guys.